Hello, I am back at Stanley Park. As I did mention in my live stream on Sunday, that we were back Tuesday to give you an update on the Anfield Road extension, stand expansion from there. So I've decided to start doing a bit of audio, like voiceover, when the drone's in the air, to try and show you what you're looking at, as well as you just enjoying to where the site's up to. So that is going to be included in this video. If you'd like to support our channel, you can use the links in the description below on buymeacoffee.com, or there is now our merchandise store, which is now active on the YouTube channel. Okay, let's get into this video. If you do like this video, you can share, subscribe to our channel, and leave any comments in the comment section below. And if you didn't catch our live stream on Sunday, then take a little look at it, because we did get inside the security office in the Stanley car park, and we got some information from the guy there about what's going to be happening around the ground. There's some official pictures of what the ground's going to look like when it's finished, so take a look at that. That happened on Sunday. Right, we're going to get straight into this video. Take care of yourselves, we'll see you soon. Towards the centre of the picture, you can see there they've done all the brickwork in the middle of the back of the stand, and they've also started putting the windows in as well. You can see that now a bit more clearer now the drone's gone a bit closer to the site, so it's all going to look like that at the back. So they're on the way to completing that. Also getting a lot of strong wind warnings from the DJI app, so that's why the drone's being kept quite low, but I think it looks a bit better for this particular video. You can see a bit more of the site with it being that low. Here you can see the entire site from this particular shot, and if you did catch the live stream on Sunday just gone, you'll notice we did mention all the boards have gone. It's just temporary fencing now as well. So I believe soon they are going to start working on the actual Anfield Road, because that is being built around the extension. We found that out. That's definitely happening. We found that out on Sunday while we were live. started fitting some seats onto the stand now. One of the channels I follow did cover this. I've tried to get as low as possible, but didn't want to actually get inside the ground, just in case I got in any trouble for it. But I've tried to get the best shot for you there. Enjoyed this quick update we've done for you today. We will see you soon. If you do have any comments, leave them in the comment section below, and I will answer each and every one. Take care of yourselves. See you soon.